Welcome back everyone, this N.R.T. We're doing another unboxing video today. As you see, we got a banner in the tractor shop. I decided to put that up, so I already opened it. So, that over there. I did go open all these boxes, but it's all the same stuff. So we got two things there, and then we got, this should be a steel blade, cut steel, and that's all that's in that box. Then this box should be four of these. That's that box. Then this box, sorry for the mess, I've been cleaning. It's definitely way better than what it was. This should be drill bit set. And this right here, all in that box. Benchmarkabrasives did send me all this free of charge, so I'm making a video for them. I've been working with them for a little over a year. They're a great company to work with. They stand behind their products. To be real with you, I had a problem with I think it was SH5 carbide. I sent them an email, sent them a couple pictures, and before you know it, a replacement was already on the way. No questions asked. So I highly recommend them. Yeah. And I ain't just saying that because they send me a whole bunch of free stuff. Before I was working with Benchmarkabrasives, I bought their products and they were great then and they're great now. It's just I'm helping them promote their company more and pushing their company out to more people, and I'm okay with that. There is nothing more than I love than promoting companies that stand behind their products and make a good quality product. You wouldn't believe how many emails I get from companies from China wanting me to promote their product, and then it's like, well, they send me a product and then I look at it and it's like, well, that's junk. But Benchmarkabrasives, I don't have no problem. As you see, I'm wearing their shirt and hat with the banner in the background. As you can see, I'm extremely happy with their products. This is all hand cleaner stuff, and then this is a dispenser for those bottles that I'm going to go set up over by the sink up in by the ATV shop. I'd like to get a sink in here, but then I'd have to run a water line out here, and I'd like to get a sink in the little ATV shop, but then I have to run a water line over there. So next to that, there's a sink, so I'm going to go mount it over there. But so I want to say huge thanks to Benchmarkabrasives for sending all this out, and I look forward to working with you guys. And there will be some videos coming out on these products. Go ahead and take these drill bits. As you can see, 29 piece drill bit set. Very nice. I'll be testing these out on the tractor mount plate. And this is a metal saw blade. And the reason why I got this is because I want to see if my Milwaukee table saw will cut metal. I've seen table saws cut metal, but a cordless, I mean, that would be pretty awesome if you think about it. But that, I mean, heck, Might just leave that in the package and throw it up on the wall. That looks very nice. So we'll be definitely testing that out. I'll probably make a video on how to do all that. So, well, please subscribe. There will be a link in the description to their website. And I might put each item in the description too. I don't know yet. But they have everything. From grinding wheels to flap discs to wire wheels to sandpaper to cleaning stuff and tools and sanders. And trust me, if you work around fabrication or in the auto body world, you want to go check them out. And I go on their website, I find more and more stuff I didn't even know they had. But as you can see in the background here, we got their grinding shield right there. I'd highly recommend that product. We got flap disc grinding wheels, a whole bunch of wire wheels, and yeah. So yeah. So I'll pause the video and then I'll meet you guys over at the other barn and we'll mount this dispenser right here and put one of those things in it. So catch you guys there. Okay guys, welcome back. We'll be mounting this right here, right next to the sink. Just like that. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna go get the stuff that goes in them and I'll be right back.